Meaning of homunculus.
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 Homunculus. The term homunculus refers to a concept in alchemy and medieval science, which theorized that miniature human beings could be created through artificial means. The homunculus was believed to be constructed by alchemists using sperm and other materials, and was thought to possess magical powers. This theory has since been debunked by modern science, but the term homunculus is still used in some contexts to refer to small, artificial representations of humans. Overall, the concept of homunculus reflects humanity's enduring fascination with the creation of life and the mysteries of the universe.